Hey guys, it's Thursday here in West Virginia, and this is kind of an unplanned video. I wasn't planning to come back until Friday, but we just got this guy in yesterday and decided to go ahead and do an unboxing video on him today. This is the new Hot Wheels Elite 64 vehicle, number 5 in their new Elite series for this past year. This is the Land Rover Defender 90 pickup. And they come on the bigger size cards, and they do come in a Protecto pack, which was referred to back in the day as Ultra Hots Protecto packs because they were the big cards and that's what they were made for at first. But now they're just your car culture premium Protecto packs, I guess I would call them. So it's pretty cool. It has on the back of the card the name of the vehicle, and it gives you a history of the vehicle. The country of origin is the United Kingdom. This vehicle was produced in this body style from '07 to 2012. The length was 154.3 inches. The width was 70.5 inches. The height 79.5 inches, and the weight was 3,611.2 pounds, and the engine was an inline 4 with a 4-speed manual. And surprised that they did the stats all in our standard American system because it was a UK vehicle, which would have had the metric system. But anyways, it's cool that they did do it for the American culture. So very cool looking vehicle, and this one I'm not going to rip open. I ordered 2 of these and I decided only to keep one. I was going to start collecting these and keeping one carded and one loose, but I just don't have the room to do that, so I'm just going to stick with my loose stuff, and then whatever I think needs to be carded, keep carded. But I've already cracked one, as you can see here in my hand. So that one is on eBay right now, and this is mine that is going in my 50 car display case as soon as the video is done. So as you can see, it does have like a 5-spoke style wheel, small diameter, very small diameter, like for Hot Wheels wheels. They wanted to keep it, I guess, 100% realistic with like a 15-inch like diameter. It is a 5-spoke looking wheel with the bead lock, and nice detail on the tires too, with the tread even like kind of rolling over on the sidewall and such. Molded in mirrors, and they are part of the body, I believe. They feel like they are die cast, but they are like not a big piece of the body like molded into the A-pillar. They are kind of just there on a little pedestal, so you may want to be careful. They may break easily. Nice detail with the brush guard, the fog lights, the winch, and the regular headlights. They look to be acrylic, so they're not just painted tampos on the regular headlights. Now the fog lights are painted, and it has the overhead roll bar with fog lights, and it has an outer style roll cage, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen one like that before, but it is a roll bar that is on the outer, like an exoskeleton or something, like a ant or some kind of insect. And then you have the crossbar roll cage in the back. The spare tire is rubber on like a blue painted steel style rim. And you have your bars back here too. A little detail on the lights back there. And it is metal on metal. And these are screwed together with kind of like a tri-style screw, it looks like. I don't even know what to call those, but it doesn't look like your typical Phillips heads, but they do look like some kind of machine screw, not a rivet. The detail on the chassis probably could have been a little bit better than what they did, especially for the $20 price tag, but it is a nice vehicle. In my opinion, it's nice, but maybe not $20 nice, maybe like $10 to $15 nice. But since it's going to be a limited production run and stuff, so it's, yeah, I guess it's makes it a little more valuable. And later on, maybe I will pick up another Defender 90 pickup from Mini GT and do a comparison, but it's going to be hard to do because this is a modded aftermarket machine, whereas the Mini GT one is just a bone stock Defender 90 with the stock stillies, the stock skinny short tires on it. So it'd be kind of hard to do a comparison, but the overall body and stuff and other details we probably could. So that may be coming up in the future. But this is it, guys. And it is nicer in person than in the pics. So if you are a 4x4 fan or a Land Rover fan, definitely recommend it, even at the $20 price tag, if that's your cup of tea. So once again, not bad. I'm not disappointed in it, but it's hard to justify the $20 when there are cars out there nicer for cheaper prices or the same equivalent price. But not bad. So hats off to Hot Wheels. Nice job. So we'll be back again tomorrow, and we're going to be unboxing the Fast and Furious 5-car set. With the Integra and the Maximum. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. Be sure to tune back in for it, and enjoy your Thursday, guys.